I'm Anil Kumar, and here is a challenge problem on exponential equations. You are now almost at the end of the review, and this is the question for you. In case you can solve it, you are absolutely ready for 100%. Now the question here is solve 1 over 216 to the power of 4x minus 3 equals to 36 to the power of x squared plus 1. You can pause the video, solve, and then look into my solution. Strategy, very simple. We have to have a common base, right, on both sides. So common base, 6 could be a common base, right? We could write 36 as 6 squared, and we can write 216 as 6 cubed. So 6 is a common base. So let's begin by changing these numbers to the base 6. So on the left side, we get 1 over 6 cubed to the power of 4x minus 3 equals to 6 squared to the power of x squared plus 1. Right? This is x squared plus 1. Now we can write this as 6 to the power of minus 3, since it's in the denominator, times 4x minus 3 equals to 6 to the power of 2 times x squared plus 1. Right? Since the base are common, we can equate their exponents. So we have minus 3 times 4x minus 3 equals to 2 times x squared plus 1. Let's open the brackets, get minus 12x plus 9 equals to 2x squared plus 2. Bring terms together, so we get 0 equals to 2x squared plus 12x minus 9 plus 2, or we get 0 equals to 2x squared plus 12x minus 7. So that is the quadratic equation which we need to solve. Simple. Now let me write down the quadratic equation, which is 2x squared plus 12x minus 7. Now equals to 0, of course. To factor this equation, we need two numbers whose product is minus 14 and sum is 12. Well, 14 is 2 times 7. When we add them, we don't get 12. Or 14 times 1, we don't get 12. So that doesn't really work. And therefore, we need to apply a quadratic formula to solve this. So to solve this, let us say x is equals to minus of b, which is minus 12, plus minus square root b squared minus 4 times ac divided by 2 times a, which is 2. Now that gives you minus 12 plus minus within square root. We can use the calculator. So we have 12 square within square root 12 square, minus minus becomes plus, we'll write plus, 4 times 2 times 7, and this is equal to 10 square root 2. So 10 square root 2. Okay, so let me write 2 first, and then let me squeeze in 10 here. Okay, divided by 4. Fine. So we get two possible solutions, which is one is minus 12 plus 10 square root 2 divided by 4, and the other one is minus 12 minus 10 square root 2 divided by 4. So these are the two possible solutions for x, right? So let's calculate these answers. So 10 square root 2 minus 12 equals to divided by 4 equals to, let's write this, well, you could write exact answer, but we'll round it to 3 decimal places and then write it down. We have 0.5355, let it be 4 decimal places. The other one is minus of 12 minus 10 square root 2 equals to divided by 4 equals to, in decimals, the other one is minus 6.5355, right? So leave the answers to 4 decimal places. So these are two solutions for the given equation, correct? So that is how we solve them. Now what you should do is you should check both solutions, right? So you should check both solutions. That is your job now. And then write down your final answer. After checking, both are correct or one of them is correct or whatever, because there are chances that sometimes one may not be correct, right? But anyway, so I'm taking both as correct. So my answers are 0.5355 and minus 6.5355, right? But you check, okay? You check the answer. I hope that helps, but with that we almost come to an end. Now sometimes you are not in a position to factor, so you may get decimal answers. That is okay. Thank you and all the best for your exam.